Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to help you take control of your finances. Today, we're tackling how to budget using Goodbudget, a super user-friendly app that makes envelope budgeting easy and effective. If you're new to budgeting or struggling with overspending, this method could be a game-changer for you. First things first, what's Goodbudget? It's a digital tool based on the classic envelope system, where you divide your money into categories like groceries, rent, and entertainment. This helps you visualize and stick to your spending limits without the hassle of physical cash. To get started, download the Goodbudget app from your phone's app store. It's free for basic features, making it accessible for everyone. Once installed, create an account. You'll be prompted to set up your envelopes, so take a moment to list out your main expenses. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, allocate $500 to groceries, $1,000 to housing, and so on based on your priorities. Next, add your income sources into the app. Goodbudget will let you fund your envelopes, meaning you assign specific amounts from your total budget to each one. This step is crucial because it shows you exactly how much you can spend in each category. As you go about your day, track your spending by logging transactions directly in the app. Goodbudget updates your balances in real time, so you'll get alerts if you're nearing your limit. It's like having a personal financial watchdog. One pro tip: review your budget weekly. Check which envelopes are running low and adjust for the next month. This keeps you flexible and accountable. By the end of your first month, you'll likely notice less stress and more savings. Goodbudget even syncs across devices, so it's great for couples or families. Give it a try. Start today and transform your financial habits. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more budgeting hacks. See you in the next video.